think this could be a people power job. I just pulled some of the old vegetation from last year now, out of the grassy habitat here. Here's a bit that's unpulled, so we need to go through all this, pull it out, and that'll expose the seed bed again. And there's a load of wildflower seeds inside in that, so they'll come on again. So that's the sort of maintenance this habitat needs right now. And take out the grass clippings, take them to the compost area. See, there's a load of it all along here, and the flowers will come. And then we also have an issue with furze bushes starting to establish within it, so we need to keep on top of those. Try and dig them out, maybe. Certainly cut them back. We don't want them to be spreading anymore. Dock topping, the like, but really this doesn't need to be rotavated. A decent rake and some hand pull out all the grass will do a good enough job in it. This actually lends itself to it perfectly. Great. I actually think this could be a people power job. So this isn't too hard to do, but what needs to happen here is all this wet grassland. The grass I was pulling there is the old vegetation from last year, actually maybe the year before, and we need to pull it all. So that's either a social gathering of a load of people, pull out all the grass, or else you need a tractor and a harrow. But I actually think this could be a people power job.